Hey there, what's up guys, it's Fergal here. So inside this video I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. So a lot of people are trying YouTube Shorts at the moment, but a lot of them are doing it incorrectly. Inside this video I'm going to show you how to do the YouTube Shorts correctly and then how to monetize it correctly, because YouTube pays you a little bit of money for getting a ton of views on the YouTube Shorts, but that's not where the money is when it comes to YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you how to do the Shorts correctly, how to monetize them correctly, all inside this video. But before we get started, my name is Fergal Downs and I create videos on this YouTube channel that shows people how to make money online, build an online business, and get traffic to your website and everything else in between. So please take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. And then go ahead and hit the bell notification icon. Like I said, it would really help me out. And yeah, I'll be very thankful if you could do that right now. So let's get started. How to make money with YouTube Shorts. First of all, what are YouTube Shorts? Let's go over to this person here. He's one of the most successful YouTube Shorts people out there at the moment. His name and his channel is called Luke Davidson. So if we click into Luke's videos here, you can see he has a ton of these very, very short videos. They're all like, let's just click into this one here.
I'm just going to quickly go tell my mom that we're leaving. Can you start the car? Yeah.
So it's a very short video, less than 1 minute, and it's almost like a little skit is what he does. And most of his channel is just YouTube Shorts. If we go by the oldest, his channel is less than 2 years old and he has 8.54 million subscribers. And most of it is all from YouTube Shorts. He does have some normal videos in there, but I would go as far as saying 90 to 95% of his channel is YouTube Shorts. Let's take a look at one other person here, House of Highlights. They do like sports highlights and stuff like that. Again, this is 90, 95% YouTube Shorts in here, very, very short ones. So let's take a look at one of them here. I'll just turn off the sound. So it's some girls catching a ball and then the older guy comes and swipes the ball off them. So not very cool from the guy to do that. But this short video has got, let's just go back in and see. It was released 38 minutes ago and it has 37,000 views. So YouTube is really, really promoting YouTube Shorts at the moment because it wants to compete with TikTok in these shorts type of videos. And it's working really well for them because people are really starting to watch these short videos a lot. As you can see, 38 minutes ago and 37,000 views, which is a great thing for us because new YouTube Shorts are relatively new, so that you can break into this YouTube Shorts industry by and get a ton of subscribers and views and everything for your YouTube channel, and even you can do this without creating the videos yourself, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So let's go back over here and let's talk about the best niche. So you can really do this in any niche, but the best niches are viral funny videos. So when it comes to the House of Highlights, they've kind of back themselves into a corner because they're only doing sports, and you know, it's kind of hard sometimes to find the viral videos in sports specific niche. But if you just do it in viral or funny videos in all types of niches, so you can do sports, day-to-day life, you know, speeches, any type of viral funny video that you can do, or motivational speeches would be in this category as well. So that is the best type of niche that I have seen for doing YouTube Shorts. Now, when it comes to promoting, in a moment I'm going to show you how to create the YouTube Shorts without actually doing the videos yourself. But let's talk about the promotion. A lot of people do this incorrectly. What they would do is they would come in here to the YouTube Shorts. So they would come into the description section here and people would type their links in here. Now, you can by all means type your links into the description if you want to, but there's a better way to do it that you can do it in addition to posting your links in the description. I'm going to show you how to do that now. If we go back in here to House of Highlights, you can come in here, and once you have, I believe it's 500 subscribers, which is pretty easy to get from YouTube Shorts, we just go to the community tab here. And you can see, I believe it's in here. Maybe it's not in this YouTube channel. Yeah, I think it's actually in Luke Davidson. So let's go to the community section in Luke Davidson, and you can see here. So merch is now available, and Luke is linking out to some t-shirts or something that he's selling. So basic t-shirts that he's selling. And you can see this had 1.7 thousand comments on it. And every one of these 1.7 thousand comments has seen this link. But remember, this is just people that commented on it. 84,000 people gave this a thumbs up. And you can imagine that 1 in 5 people or 1 in 10 people give it a thumbs up. So multiply this by, let's say 10. So you got 800,000 people have seen this ad, have seen this link. So that is how you advertise once you're getting some traction on your YouTube shorts. So you can put links in the description, but this is the best way to advertise by doing community posts on your page, on your community tab. So when it comes to your niche, if your niche is just viral, funny videos, the best things to promote are very generic offers. And the best place to find very generic offers would be like CPA offers. That means cost per action. So that means you don't have to make a sale. You just make a sale when someone like enters their name, enters their zip code, enters their email address, enters their phone number, enters their address, their physical address, stuff like that. And you get paid anywhere from $1 up to $50 every single time somebody just puts in their lead information. The best place to find this information is on the best place to find these offers is on a website called Max Bounty. So you just go over to maxbounty.com, set up an account, and you get access to these CPA offers. So what type of generic CPA offer could you use? You could use anything like win an iPhone would be something that Luke could post in here. Or you could also, once you get to Luke's level, once you get to that high subscriber level, you can create merchandise and that kind of stuff there. So when you're starting out, CPA offers, they have a very low barrier to entry. You get paid just when somebody enters their email address. So that's the type of offers that would work well for these funny types of viral videos that you do with YouTube Shorts. Now, let's talk about creating the videos without creating the videos yourself. Well, number one is to create the videos yourself. You can take a look at Luke Davidson's type of videos and see what he does there. What I'm going to be doing on this channel is I'm going to be creating videos that, YouTube Shorts videos that show people how to build an online business, get traffic to their website and all that kind of stuff. So that's the kind of shorts that I'm going to do. The problem with those ones is they don't have a massive reach. Let's say with funny viral videos, millions of people can watch them. But with building an online business, the amount of people that can see that, the amount of people in that niche is a lot lower. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be creating those videos myself. Number two is you can hire someone to download the videos from TikTok or some other website, or download them yourself and then upload them onto YouTube. Now, if you go over here to Fiverr, we can see if we can find someone that will do that. So let's go with funny videos. Okay, so we're just going to have a look through some of the people here, and we'll type in actually YouTube Shorts. So you can see here, the first one here is someone's going to give you 500 motivational Instagram reels that you can also use. It'll work on Instagram, it'll work on YouTube, it'll work on TikTok. So these are like cryptocurrency reels. You've got motivational shorts, NFT related shorts. You got, what are these related to? It doesn't say what this is related to. YouTube short expert. He's going to edit the Instagram or YouTube shorts and upload them. You've got motivational shorts, meditation shorts, all different types of ones here. So you can just scroll down through all of these and go for whatever one your niche is. Obviously, the funny motivational speeches, viral types of videos work best. So you can find them here, all done for you, and then you can just upload them to YouTube. The best uploading method is to upload 3 per day, spread out throughout the day, and you can pre-upload them for days in advance. And you can spend like a half an hour to upload, 100, 200 videos, and then you can just have 3 going out every single day. The next one there is to hire somebody to upload the videos for you, to get someone to do all the work for you. Now, I hired somebody. I'm just going to see if I can find them here. So this is the person that I personally hired to upload YouTube Shorts for me. What he does is he uploads 1,000 shorts to your YouTube channel. You can ask him for specific niches if you want. And for 150 shorts, it's going to be 31 bucks. For 1,000 shorts, it's 180 euros actually for 1,000 shorts. But you can start off with just 150 and get him to do 3 per day over the course of, that's going to be multiple days. So there's different offers here. So this is the person that I personally hired to do this. He's got 11 orders in the queue, so he is quite busy. But I do recommend this person for this option, which is option number 3. So there's 3 options there. Obviously, the best one is to create the videos yourself. The second best one is to hire someone to download them from TikTok or download them yourself. And the third best one is to just outsource the entire thing yourself. Now, what about titles? It's best to be controversial in the titles. So something like, should girls say this, or should girls do this? And people will say, why shouldn't girls do this? So you're going to get like upvotes, downvotes, comments, all that kind of stuff from people saying, of course girls should be able to do this. Or another thing is, who is best? So you're going to be name dropping here. Let's say you've got Michael Jackson or Michael Jordan, or you got Kobe Bryant. You want to name drop in the thing. So look at this dunk by Kobe Bryant, or look at this fight by Conor McGregor, or look at this quote by Conor McGregor. What do you think? Ask a question. What do you think of Conor McGregor? Or has Conor McGregor gone too far? Those kind of things. Ask a comment. So what should you have done? Give a question mark and say comment. So after all these, ask people to comment. What would you have done here? Ask them a question again and say comment. Again, do name drop, do business drop the Apple name, drop the, put the Apple name into the title and all that kind of stuff, because that will help it to go viral. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. That is how you create the YouTube Shorts. That is how you advertise on the YouTube Shorts. Again, YouTube is pushing them, so just be consistent. Put 3 out every single day. Eventually, the first one isn't going to catch on by YouTube. Maybe even the 10th, the 15th, or 20th one isn't going to catch on by YouTube. But eventually, one of them is going to go super viral. It's going to get you a ton of subscribers. It's going to get you a ton of traffic. So be consistent with it. Do 3 a day, and this is going to work really, really well for you. Again, guys, my name is Fergal Downs. Thank you for checking out this video. Please take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button. It will really help me out. And hit the bell notification icon too. Cheers, guys. Have a great day.